Are you looking for the best electric guitars in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric guitars. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ibanez 6-string electric guitar. The Ibanez GRX70QATRB is a 6-string solid-body electric guitar with a fast, slim maple neck, beautiful quilted maple art grain top, and high-output Infinity R pickups. It features a poplar body, an oak back, a maple neck, a treated New Zealand pine fingerboard, and a 5-way selector switch. The T102 tremolo provides a wide range of tones, making this guitar perfect for beginners and experienced players alike. Moving on at number 4, we have the Donner DST100S 39-inch electric guitar kit. The Donner DST100S 39-inch full-size electric guitar kit is the perfect starter package for aspiring guitarists. It features HSS pickups, a Canadian maple neck with C-shaped profile, 22 copper nickel frets, and a portable mini amplifier. The kit also includes a 600D quality bag, capo, strap, extra string, digital tuner, amp cable, and picks as gifts. With free online lessons, you can start playing right away. At number 3, we have the LyxPro 39-inch electric guitar kit bundle. The LyxPro electric guitar kit bundle is the perfect choice for novice and intermediate players. It includes a full-size electric guitar with high-quality materials such as a rosewood fingerboard, Canadian maple neck, volume, tone, SSS pickups, knobs and more. The bundle also includes a 20W amplifier with built-in speaker, headphone jack, an aux input, a digital tuner, 6 steel strings, 2 picks, a shoulder strap, and a case bag. This all-in-one set is a budding musician's dream and makes a great gift for any occasion. At number 2, we have the ZENY 39 inches full-size electric guitar. The ZENY 39 inches full-size electric guitar with amp, case and accessories pack beginner starter package is the perfect choice for aspiring guitarists. This right-handed electric guitar is made of an all-wood construction, steel strings, and an attractive, smooth finish. It comes with a nylon carrying case, extra strings, strap, cable, and guitar picks, as well as an amplifier, making it ready to use out of the box. Customers have praised the product for its quality and value, making it an ideal gift for any holiday. And finally at number 1, we have the Best Choice Products 39-inch electric guitar starter kit. The Best Choice Products 39 inches electric guitar starter kit is the perfect all-in-one package for beginner and intermediate guitarists. It comes with a quality paint finish, custom black tuning pegs, and accented binding for a sleek, sophisticated look. The set includes an amplifier and cable, a nylon carrying case, extra strings, a pick, whammy bar, electronic tuner, and a shoulder strap with an attached pick holder. The rosewood fretboard and maple neck provide a rich, quintessential rock sound, and the adjustable sound lets you play anything from blues to rock. The tremolo bridge system and removable whammy bar produce tremolo effects. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.